Okay, so for my humidity checkoffs, I'm going to show you how to use a bubbler humidifier. This is for flows over greater than 5 liters per minute. And I'm going to show you how to hook it to a flow meter and how to use it. So this is our bubbler humidifier. This attaches to the flow meter, and this will attach to the nasal cannula for your patient. As you can see, we have a minimum and a maximum fill line that will fill with the appropriate form of sterile water. And so we're going to go ahead, and this is the pop-off valve. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and attach this to the flow meter. So first we're going to remove this here. And we know that this is oxygen because it's green. Green tells us it's oxygen. And then we'll just attach this to the flow meter. To whatever the doctor's ordered, and that's how our patient can use the bubbler humidifier.